The last time Kelly Clarkson was here, I had such a good time with her. She played Plead the Fifth, and she didn't.
And I didn't take one. I said all of it.
You didn't. Well, clearly my
Challenge
questions.
accepted.
Yeah, clearly my questions were too easy. Here's what, Kelly Clarkson, it's time for you to plead the fifth again. Let's do it. Okay.
I'm so tired. I'm gonna get real.
Oh, good. And you had some caffeine right before the show.
I'm scared.
Demi Lovato made waves this week when she said that a song and video about tearing Katy Perry down, her line, is not women's empowerment. What do you make of the Taylor Swift squad phenomenon, and do you think Demi Lovato was right?
Whoa. I am officially old. What?
She said, Demi Lovato said
I feel like we just stepped into like Mean Girls, a movie, like it's not real.
Yeah,
what?
She said in response to a question about Taylor Swift and her squad, she said...
Okay, she doesn't even...
Okay.
Taylor Swift did a video for Bad Blood. And
the models.
Yes.
Everybody's in it. It was like, oh.
Yeah,
it was meant, and the word is that it was about Katy Perry.
Katy. They had a little fight.
Oh,
And so Demi, third one, says...
She said, you know, a song and video about tearing Katy Perry down is not women's empowerment. And I'm asking you, what do you make of the whole T-Swift squad?
Oh my God. I have to say, I don't think of that ever.
You don't?
I have way too much going on in my life to worry about supermodels and angry pop stars.
Rate these women from most to least.
Do people care?
Yes, very.
Yes, they
believe
do.
me.
Yes, they do.
Care.
Melissa knows.
Okay,
Rate
you just
these...
told me. I'm so lame.
Rate these women from most to least played on your iTunes. Carrie Underwood, Jennifer Hudson, Fantasia Barrino.
Okay.
Most played, Carrie, Jennifer, Fantasia.
I am going to say, I still want to plead the fifth. I love all of those girls, but I actually listen to old school R&B and alternative and rock. So I don't actually listen to any of them, but not because they're not good, just because I don't listen to any of them.
Kelly Clarkson for Senate.
I listen to old school.
Kelly Clarkson for Senate.
No, I'm seriously, my iPhone is all old school stuff.
Okay.
Like, I don't, I don't listen to me either.
You would like my new album.
You cover numerous artist hits at your concert.
Blues, yes.
You cover numerous artist hits.
Nudists? What?
Numerous artist
You were
hits.
nude while covering a song.
Like at your concerts, like Taylor Swift, Mariah Carey, Rihanna, and Lady Gaga. Name one cover that you've done that you think is better than the original.
Oh no!
That's what are you doing? How could
you
well,
are.
I'm the only one.
You're
you
challenging. No.
So you come on.
I'm gonna be real.
Okay.
I'm gonna get in so much trouble. I'm gonna be honest with you. I feel like I do a lot of them pretty good. So.
But is there one that you think is a standout?
I'm trying to think. My girl Ashley's not in. Tell me. I'm trying to think. I've covered a lot of artists, but I don't know. I feel like I do them well. Like I feel like I you know, because we're all different. But I'm honestly struggling to think of one person I've covered right now.
I have a feeling that after the shot ski, when we come back from break, you will have thought of one. Let's do a shot ski and give it up for Kelly Clarkson. Okay. Come on, guys. Come on over. Come to my window.
Yeah, right.
Come to my window.
Oh, God.
All right.
Thank you for making it small.
1, 2, 3. Before the break, I asked you during Plead the Fifth, you cover numerous hits at your concerts. Name one cover you've done that you think is better than the original.
I feel like I'm okay with this because she retweeted it, but I feel like I did a real good version of Shake It Off. I feel like I nailed that one. I like it, yeah.
All right.
I like taking us on a trip.
Thanks for watching. Watch more clips here and subscribe to our channel here. See ya.